yung Simba fighting vehicle was there. So it has the troop carrier. So I about mga
Pati yung
30
tangke de guerra.
Yes, sir. It's a Simba fighting vehicle, sir. A troop carrier. Your Honor.
Bakit kinakailangan merong magdala pa kayo ng tangke ron? Kasi mukhang overkill. As what I've said yesterday, mukhang overkill kasi isa lang itong taong aaresto ninyo. Magdala pa kayong tangke. Tapos 70 years old, senior citizen. Sabi ko nga kahapon, di ba, kahit ako, kaya ko arestuin to, mag-isa lang ako. Eh kayo, dami-dami ninyo, may tangke pa kayo, may pulis pa kayo, may ICS pa kayo, may mga responders pa kayo. Iisa lang naman ito yung arestuin ninyo. That's overkill. Takot ba kayo sa nag-iisang tao? Were you armed? Walang baril to. Sinakay niyo pa sa wheelchair. Tinali niyo pa. Ang ina yan. Tinabayaran pa ulo. Ng malong. Tinutukan niyo pa ng baril. Sino tumutok ng baril? Pulis. Sino pulis?
So ano ngayon ang qualification mo sa disorder? Public disorder?
The disorder, sir, is what in mind is chaos, sir.
Sige.
Chaos.
Chaos.
Yes, sir. So there is no
There was no chaos at that time.
I cannot tell for myself, sir, because it was what I did, sir, is call both parties. What are they accusing each other? So that was only my intention.
You did an honorable thing. You try to diffuse tension. And I think that's hindi sana mamasamain ng ibang tao yan, yung effort mo. Maganda yung ginawa mo. But please, sir.
Okay.
Go ahead.
With that statement, him, Your Honor, we are now playing a video showing that he was being interviewed, and the statements of him in that video will speak for itself. May we be allowed to play it, Your Honor?
Sige, sige. Please. Media interview.
Based on appreciative in the dalawang campus.
It's not a negotiation, but it's more my initiative as a forum. I want to know both sides, no? I just want, or we just want, for the ICS, what's good for Bonifacio.
Bakit po naisipan nyo mag-initiate nito, sir?
Because I am blind. What's happening? I have to ask both sides, so that I can implement what's aligned with that. So that is my way of settling this. You know, we are the 10IB as an AFP officer. Iba yung namin, iba yung line of work. So you can say I'm not good at this, but it's my way of meddling things with both who are in differences. So that is why I have to do this.
So after hearing
Congratulations,
those...
sir. Appreciative in dalang campus.
Yes, I know. I have both respect for both camps. Sabi ko, I gave my word. I have to be neutral because I know my mandate.
Yes, sir. Nasama ninyo ang PNP, sir?
Yes, with the PNP. I know my mandate.
So what's the next step?
So what the next step
After
is,
hearing both sides?
we have to recourse to the what is start for the court. So let court decide. It's kung may court order, what is what, then we just have to follow. So on my part, but I have to establish peace and order or maintain. No? Maintain. Walang masaktan. Ayoko nang masaktan.
So sa tingin niyo, sir, meron bang kaguluhan nangyari sa Bonifacio?
None. None. I am here to prevent that. Kung if any man na meron. But luckily, wala. So, I think, thank God for that.
Stop.
Na walang...
Mr. Chair.
Senator Estrada,
You said there was disorder, Colonel Monje. Correct?
I didn't.
There was chaos and disorder. in your previous statement a while ago.
Yes, sir.
And you said here in the video there was no disorder.
I define, sir, disorders as chaos, sir, but I didn't.
Sinabi mo walang gulo.
Yes,
Pero kanina
I
sinabi
did,
mo
sir.
may gulo.
Senator Jinggoy, let me interject. Tinanong ko lang siya, what is his definition of public disorder? Sinabi niya chaos, but
Alright.
hindi niya sinabi na may chaos
Alright.
existing.
All right.
That time.
You were there and you, in your recent interview, with what we saw right now, you said there was no disorder. Why were you there?
Yes, sir. There was no disorder on that during the time. I was there, sir, as ICS commander. When I was designated as the commander of the ICS, the next move is to bring both parties to hear their sides. That's why I was present, sir. I heard.
Did you hear both sides?
Yes.
What
yes, sir.
happened?
I heard your side, sir, because those legal issues that was being hurled upon. So I have to be clear to hear from their sides personally. So I have to assess the
Sino mga nakausap mo?
the Mayor Charlotte is there, Your Honor. Acting Mayor Ricky Bilahan is there. The
You talked to
PDDI
them simultaneously or separately?
simultaneously on a forum, sir. On the
On a
grounds.
forum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then,
Outside the municipal hall, on the grounds. There are 3 tables. We were on the center. Then the both sides, both parties.
and then,
So
what
I
happened?
heard their sides, and I assessed that it can be legally resolved. I have no power to resolve. So I have to know. So what is this? Kaya I declare that there's something, a court order. So what I did, what I knew. So I court order to implement. So not only that I have to maintain, I assured them the neutrality of the Philippine Army and maintain peace and order na walang mangyari. Walang masaktan, Your Honor.
How many were you when you stormed the municipal hall?
The
Or when you went to the municipal hall?
Yes, sir. We didn't storm, sir, because we
No,
were
well,
sir.
Pardon me for lack of term.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Ilan kayo nung pumunta kayo ron?
The number of personnel is more than 24, sir. Because yung Simba fighting vehicle was there. So it has the troop carrier. So I about mga
Pati yung
30.
tangke de guerra.
Yes, sir. It's a Simba fighting vehicle, sir. A troop carrier. Your Honor.
Bakit kinakailangan merong magdala pa kayo ng tangke ron? Kasi mukhang overkill. As what I've said yesterday, mukhang overkill kasi isa lang itong taong aaresto ninyo. Magdala pa kayong tangke. Tapos 70 years old, senior citizen. Sabi ko nga kahapon, di ba, kahit ako, kaya ko arestuin to, mag-isa lang ako. Eh kayo, dami-dami ninyo, may tangke pa kayo, may pulis pa kayo, may ICS pa kayo, may mga responders pa kayo. Iisa lang naman ito yung arestuin ninyo. That's overkill. Takot ba kayo? Sa nag-iisang tao? Were you armed? Walang baril to. Sinakay niyo pa sa wheelchair. Tinali niyo pa. Ang ina yan. Kinabayaran pa ulo. Ng malong. Tinutukan niyo pa ng baril. Sino tumutok ng baril? Police. Sino police? Did you identify? Have you identified that particular policeman?
Si Henry Bukida.
Who?
Henry Bukida.
Is he here? Is he here right now?
Bukida, dali,
Halika.
dali dito ka.
Dito ka.
Upo ka. Ay, do.
Dito ka sa malapit sa tinutukan mo. Ano ranggo mo? Ano? Tukita? Pukita? Ano? Ha?
Patrolman po, Your Honor.
Nag-oath to?
Patrolman.
Nag-oath ka ba?
Kahapon, Your Honor.
Nag-oath ka na?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Ilapit mo yung microphone, i-forward mo yung microphone dyan, sige, hilain mo.
Nag-out na po, Your Honor.
Okay. Totoo ba na yung akusasyon sa'yo na tinutukan mo si Mayor?
Your Honor, hindi po yun totoo, Your Honor. Nasagot ko po yan kahapon, Your Honor.
O, paano mo na-identify na siya ang tumutok sa'yo, Mayor?
Kilala ko yun, Your Honor.
Wala siyang bonnet.
Walang bonnet, Your Honor. Nakadala siya ng M16. Kilala ko yung M16 na dala niya.
Kilala mo yung
Ay,
M16?
ang klase ng armas, na-identify ko ang klaseng armas, M16 yung dinala niya.
Meron ka M16 at that time?
Wala, Your Honor.
Do you have any pieces of evidence to prove?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a court. I have a witness, Mr. Barong, Your Honor. No, Carmelita Nugas and Mumoy, Your
Hindi,
Honor.
meron kayong picture?
Your Honor, pwede magsagot. Wala na kasi doon sa loob, hindi na sila nakapag-videos kasi mayroon ng komosyon na nangyari. Hinihila na nga. So, wala. Kaya nga, after nito, i-present din namin kasi nabigyan ng too detailed escort yung father ko, si Barong at saka si Ukaya. Pero at that time, only Barong was present. So, he will testify also. Para mabigyan linaw yung ano talagang nangyari. Kasi nandun si Barong, ang nandun sa loob na nangyari yung breaking the glass, my father, Moy, Carmelita, and Barong. Only 4 of them. Barong is the escort, the police escort. So, sila lang 4 ang nandoon sa loob.
Na nakita?
Nakakita, oo.
Tinutukan ni Patrolman Bukida?
Yeah, si
Yeah.
Barong, not Barong, na Carmelita, and kasi yung room na yun, medyo malaki yun, Your Honor. Mayroong dito na side sa office at saka yung sa kabila na mayroong other pa din na may kitchen, may CR. So, I presume si Barong yata nandun sa kabila na, pero within the room pa rin yun. Pero si Carmelita at saka si Moymoy, kasi sila talaga yung naka-close in sa kanya, maka-testify talaga na pasok doon si Bukida. At saka si Barong, maka-testify doon din siya kung paano binrek yung glass at saka paano siya pinadapa. As you heard in the video, yung voices, yung voice na recorder na marinig mo na dapa-dapa, siya yung
There's, tone down your voice. Sige, continue.
So, yun, Mr. Chair. So,
Mr. Chairman, June 16 nangyari to, di ba?
Yes,
20. So by this time, sigurado may mga affidavit na yung mga yan, di ba?
yes, meron. Meron ng affidavit.
So kung yung pinangalan nyo po na si Barong, kung na-witness niya, dapat nakabanggit na sa affidavit niya yun.
Yeah, meron na.
Tapos pinangalanan niya si Bukida.
Hindi, si Papa yung nagpangalan kay Bukida. At saka mayroon ng affidavit si Carmelita, si Moymoy, my father.
Okay,
Sinabit nyo na rito sa committee?
Mag-submit din kami.
Submit nyo rito sa
Oo.
committee. Patrolman Bukida, kung hindi mo tinutukan si Mayor, ano ginawa mo?
Your Honor, wala po ako doon sa nangyari, Your Honor. Nasa baba po ako, Your Honor. Yung sinasabi ni Mayor Charlotte, Your Honor, is Hershey lang po yan, Your Honor, kasi wala po siya doon.
Wala pa siya doon?
Hindi ako
Mayor.
nagsabi si Pad.
Mayor,
Yes, Your Honor.
wala raw siya doon.
Kasi hindi pa ako bulag, kaya na klaro ko pa yun siya. Nandoon siya. At saka sa labas, kasama niya yung deputy, si Pines. Together with Ampong, nandyan sa labas. At saka yung nagbunit, kasama doon.
But Mayor, you're only accusing one person na tumutok sa'yo ng baril. Isa
Yes, siya lang.
Siya lang, okay. So,
So,
we have a denial here, talagang outer, pero well, if subsequent events and evidence will prove na may nagsinungaling, then perjury na lang siguro ang resulta nito, Mr. Chairman.
pwede. Alam mo, Mayor,
Yes, Your Honor.
nagbibigay ka ba ng allowance nito kay Bukida?
Wala, Your Honor.
Wala kang allowance?
Wala naman
Ito
ako pabigay.
si Sumagang at saka si Bines, hindi mo ito binibigyan ng
Wala naman,
allowance?
Your Honor.
Kaya siguro tinutukan ka ng baril ni Bukida na kulang sa allowance. Bukida,
Your Honor.
siguruhin mo wala ka doon sa loob nung kuwan, ha?
Yes, Your Honor. Bago lang po ako na-assign sa Bonifacio, Your Honor.
Yung army, sandali, andito yung army. Sino nagkuha ng video? Ikaw.
Ako po yun, Your Honor.
So, basing on the video that you have recorded, nandoon ka sa vicinity, malapit ka masyado. Nakita mo ba si Bukida doon? Pagpasok sa kwarto, sa opisina?
Negative po, Your Honor.
Hindi mo nakita?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair,
Hindi mo nakita? Yes.
if I may, sir, it was mentioned yesterday by Brigadier General Abel.
Ko pa rin. Hindi ka sumasunod do.
Pero, okay na lang.
Nakikita mo si Mayor.
Okay na lang.
Hindi ko siya masyadong kilala,
Ha?
Your Honor, kasi bago pa ako na-assign sa...
Hindi mo siya kilala na Mayor siya.
Kasi ang yung si acting mayor, Your Honor.
Ano? Ang kinikilala mo yung acting Mayor. Pero kilala mo siya na Mayor siya.
Hindi ko masyadong kilala siya, Your Honor, kasi bago lang ko, Your Honor.
Kaya mo siya tinutukan dahil hindi mo kilala. Ha? O paano i-demonstrate mo nga gaano ka...
Kaya pagpasok, primero, Your Honor, yung nalaman ko na break na yung glass doon sa labas, yung pinto at saka bintana, siya ang unang pumasok. Siya.
And then,
Sumunod yung mga nakabunit.
may rest.
Pagkatapos tinutukan niya ako, kasama
Gaano
kiminimoy mo.
ka kalayo nung tinutukan ka? Gaano siya kalapit ka?
Ganito at saka sa iyo.
Ganyan lang.
Oo, ganyan.
Medyo pero makakapatay talaga, no?
Oo. M16. So, kasama ko si Moy Moy. Nandyan sa gilid si Carmen.
Sino si Moy Moy? Moy Moy Palaboy?
Siya naghawak sa akin. Mawak sa akin.
So, meron kayong, yan ang testigo mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, mag-execute na lang ka affidavit, submit nyo na lang dito.
Mayroon na, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Senator Jinggoy. Major Sumagang, meron ka sa affidavit dito, sinabi mo, I ordered Police Captain Bienes and PNP officer who is in charge of wearing the body-worn camera accompany the ICS committee in going towards the mayor's office. Where is now this recording of the body-worn camera na pinagamit mo sa tao mo?
Sir, the body-worn camera, sir, is being borrowed by us from the Tanggob City Police Station, sir. Because wala po kaming issue na body-worn camera, sir.
Kaya nga, saan na yung recording nito?
Nandun sa Tanggob, sir, ang kwan, sir. Yung downloaded videos dyan, sir, is nandun sa Tanggob, sir.
PD,
Sir.
you retrieve the recordings of that body-worn camera and submit it to this committee. Okay?
We'll do that, sir.
Ha? Para makuha natin yung totoong nangyari. Ha?
Sir, with regards ko, sir, yung sir, the body-worn camera, sir, is issued by the Tanggob Police Station, sir. Pero,
Okay.
sir, yung downloading of the videos during the incident, sir, is na-download na po namin, sir. And then we have submitted copies of that from our incident commander, sir.
Nag-submit kayo ng kopya.
Yes, sir. As part of our presentation,
Kasama
sir.
sa present mo ngayon yan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, thank you. Nandyan, i-present nila ngayon. I-present nila yung laman ng video camera. Sino nagsuot ng camera na yun? Body-worn camera?
Sir, the body...
Sino?
Sir, Police Executive Master Sergeant Brillo, sir.
Brillo. Where is Brillo? Executive Officer Senator Brillo, ikaw yung nagsuot ng kamera? Tapos, dinownload, saan mo dinala yung kwan?
Sa Tanggol City Police Station.
Tapos,
Ina-download sa Tanggol City Sir Police Station as ordered by our officer in charge. Tapos sir, kinikip na kayo ngayon sir sa custody ni
nasa kanila na binigay mo. So you confirm na yung ipapakita nila galing sa iyo yun.
Yes sir.
Recording na body camera mo
Yes
yun.
sir.
Okay.
Mr. Chairman, sandali, about the body cameras, dapat police procedure yan eh.
Yes sir.
The police has retained the copy o hindi?
Na-retain sir.
Ha?
The PNP has retained the copy of the video.
You have a copy?
Yeah, the footage.
Okay, so if we are given selected or edited version, we can access the unedited version, the complete video footages. Hawak ng police.
Yes, sir.
Sure kayo ron?
Kasi alam mo ko, if I may, Senator Pimentel, yung laman ng body worn camera, kapag ito'y na-upload na sa main server ng police station, pwede gamitin yan ng ibang entity provided covered by court order. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So in this case, may court order ba yung paglipat ninyo ng contents from the police station to the ICS?
That's so, Your Honor.
The reason for that is that to maintain the integrity of the contents of the recording, kaya kailangan talagang ma-preserve yan as evidence.
Yes,
hindi yan basta-bastang mabigay sa ibang entity kung walang court order.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, in this case, pwede walang court order yan. But anyway, we are not casting doubts on the integrity of the recordings. Ang ko lang, procedural lang.
Yes, sir.
Ang binabanggit ko lang ito. It's
Yes,
a matter of procedure dapat. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Although there was no court order, but since the DIC is created by the provincial government of Misamis Occidental, sir, is as part of the ICS, Police Major Sumagang as the Chief of Police is the safety officer. So I think, sir, it is incumbent to Major Sumagang in order to shed light on the different entities that is
You
being
stated
interested.
it correctly, correct.
Yes,
You are
sir.
correct.
That is why the
You are part of the ICS. So
Yes,
being
sir.
a part of the ICS, there's no need for a court order for you to transfer yung laman na yun because that's part of your defense.
yes, sir.
Because you are a part of the ICS.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? So hindi kailangan ng court order.
Yes, sir.
You're correct.
ICS is a provincial body. Not a PNP body. Tama?
It's a creation of the provincial government.
I know. Kaya nga, hinay-hinay tayo ron sa merger of the PNP with the province. I mean, parang nangyari, nagkaka-merger na. Kaya,
Hindi lang PNP, pati Army nga.
kaya
Oh.
nga, kaya,
Army nga kasama.
marami nga katanungan.
Pati Bureau of Fire. Di ba kasama kayo, Bureau of Fire?
Mr. Chair, yes sir. For info lang to everybody, sir. Pursuant to Republic Act 1121. Unified Command yan, sir. Yan po ang nag-settle.
Alam na namin yan. Alam namin yan.
Kaya nandun kami lahat, sir, sa
Pero yan,
scene.
hindi gagawa ng order si gobernador kung walang legal basis.
Kaya
Sabi niya,
magkaisa kami lahat, sir. Isang command lang, sir. Kaya nandun kami. Covered kami by law po.
wala, bakit nakakala mo ba? Tinatanong namin kung walang batas yan.
Sige, ano section ulit, sir? Section? Pero double check na rin natin on the spot. Section what of the law?
Ang general law lang ang title, sir, is Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act.
Ginagamit mo yung disaster for
Yes po. Yes po.
for this one?
Yes po.
For defiance, destruction of
Yes, po.
local government services?
Yes po. Dalawa po ang ang classification po ng hazard.
Talagang in-need of legislation po itong hearing natin na Mr. Chairman kung ganyan na ang nangyayari.
Sir, you can ask the OCD, sir. Sir, I am ICS level 4 practitioner, sir, with all due respect. You can ask OCD, sir, regarding dun sa definition po ng incident command system. Ano po ang application, sir? Yan po, sir. Both natural and man-made po.
Yes. But there's a man-made disaster because there's a defiance and the destruction of government services.
Yes, sir. In fact,
and that's a man-made disaster for you.
yes, sir. In fact, those incident objectives, sir, those factors, sir, are part of the incident objectives. Sir, during the planning meeting...
Pakinig ka. Baka mamaya, alam mo, little knowledge is dangerous. Baka you don't know you're talking to Bart Tapnatzer and former Senate President, ha? Sa nakikita ko, you're lecturing our legal guru here in the Senate, ha? Kuwan lang. Piece of advice lang.
Sige sir, I mean, pagdating sa disaster, he's really well trained sa disaster. But the point is, baka naman if we are applying a disaster law to respond to a situation like this, I think in my personal opinion, we might be stretching the meaning of that law or misapplying the law. Kaya nga anyway, okay na po sir, I will not debate with you. Mas marami kang alam sa akin pagdating sa disaster. Okay, sa disaster. Pero pag you're a lawyer, you're not a lawyer.
Sir, I'm not a lawyer, sir, but I am an ICL level 4.
Yes. Pagdating nga doon sa levels na yun, we concede your expertise. Pero sa interpretation of the law, meron din po kaming karampatang experience. But I know the chairman is now going to give time to General Villanueva. Pero before that, ito na, hindi na lang natin ito pasalitain, pero request lang natin in writing. Inputs from the DILG. Okay. Hindi naman ito first time na may nangyaring ganyan. May defiance ng local government official sa kanyang suspension or removal from office. Hindi yan first time nangyari. Wala ba kayong, di ba kayo nagbe-brainstorming dyan sa department? Ano ang flowchart gawin natin? Yung dialogue na ginawa ni Lieutenant Colonel Monje, yun na yung hint natin, mga ganon. So, just give us in writing ano yung masasuggest ninyo on how we could have improved this situation based on past experiences. Diba? Kasi ako, ang naisip ko yung nangyari kay Governor sa Iloilo. Alala niya? Ano ba niya sa Iloilo? Tupas? Kay Governor Tupas ba yun? Anong din yun? Breaking of the glasses din yun eh. Sino pa ba yung mga iba? COMELEC decisions naman ang ini-enforce. Di ba? Ganon. This is not the first time eh. Dapat meron na tayong, by this time yung DILG, meron na tayong protocol, flowchart, how to do this eh. Okay? Tingnan mo nangyari. Out of frustration, disaster law ginagamit. Hindi disaster law ginagamit. DILG Act ang ginagamit. Diba? I mean, Sir, Kanyero, short na lang kasi bibigyan tayo.
Your Honor, the DILG kasi sir, when implementing these types of decision, sir, it would really depend on maybe on the internal rules and procedure of the Sanggunian if they will ask for assistance from the DILG sa pag-implement or not.
If they ask, yun na, what is your flowchart, Red?
If they ask, sir, meron na
claim nyo ba ngayon? Totally out of the picture kayo?
Hindi sir,
kaya nangyari ito, you were out of, nobody asked your help?
Hindi sir, meron naman po sir, nagtanong na po yung side nila. Kumbaga,
bakit ka umabot sa ganito? Para bumalik tayo sa, yung Iloilo incident na sinasabi ko, Mr. Chairman, siguro 10 years ago na yun. So, sabihin, hindi pa tayo natuto dun. Dapat natututo na tayo as an institution.
Yung Cebu incident.
Ano ba
yung Cebu.
Hindi ko naman nalimutan.
Yung panahon ni Governor Gwen, di ba?
May mga...
At saka si General Garbo. General Garbo ang involved doon. So, dapat may template na tayo dito para hindi magkagulo-gulo yung implementation. Okay.
Sige. So para lang hindi na po matagalan kasi I think nainip na talaga rin si General Villanueva for their side to be heard. Sige. Basta in writing na lang sir para hindi talaga masayang hearing natin. Okay.
Yes, Attorney Buliusos,
Mr. Chairman, I will ask questions, but I will throw it to you kindly. Okay? I will address to the ICS expert level for these two questions. Number one is the ICS of Misamis Occidental, how many times it was activated by that province?
You can respond, ICS expert. Go ahead.
Good morning, by the way, once again to everybody. Mr. Chair, as far as I know, during the drafting of the executive order, there was a original basis of that executive order for the creation or activation of the incident command system. In fact, during the time of the former governor. Am I correct, sir?
It was established.
My question is how many times in Misamis Occidental the ICS was activated?
This is the first time actually.
How many times?
First time.
Your Honor, this is the first time for Your Honor, this is the first time for a standoff incident.
Okay, so you may
In context of the incident command system, this is the first time in the entire country that we call it in the incident command system as a standoff incident.
Okay. Then, other than that June 16 incident, before that, there was no ICS activation.
Before what, sir?
Before the June 16, 2023 incident, there was no activation of the ICS.
You respond. As far as I know, sir, the basis for the activation of the incident command system was the executive order of the governor, pursuant to the letter request of the acting mayor to address the crisis.
You just answered the question. Isang first time ba ito nangyari?
During the current government, sir, first time.
First time?
Yes.
Okay, my last question is that, is it the fact that there was a flood incident in December 24, 2022 where some of the places of Misamis Occidental was flooded by water, many had drowned, houses are destroyed. Question, was the ICS implemented during that December 24, 2022 flood incident?
You respond.
Your Honor, as far as I know, every municipality has its own city or municipal disaster risk to activate the incident.
Kung ang tanong nga kung na-activate ba last December,
ang province.
so lang yan eh. Ang dami pasikot-sikot.
Ang province.
Yes or no? Activate ba during December flooding? Yes or no?
Sir, with all honesty, sir, this would serve as a lesson to everybody. Hindi po.
Yes or no lang ang sagot doon. Was that activated? Yes
Hindi
or
po.
no?
Hindi po.
Thank you for that witty answer from the expert. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, thank you, sir.
The answer was no.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let's proceed to General Villanueva. Go ahead, General Villanueva, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. To the Chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, and to other members of this committee, and to the two representatives